Hello guys, and today I'm gonna be talking about uh interesting website that I found. So I'm pretty sure that if you play Geometry Dash, you will know the YouTuber JD Tolan. He's a person who talks about Geometry Dash. And where? Well, apparently he made a website. If we go to JD Tolan, this is the website. We find this bit no, but we'll not just slip it, we'll not just change it to a yes. If we go to the inspect, we have this code, and you need to go to body dot body. Click on this, go, and then it says stop. Then seriously stop. What are you doing? Change text if you have small p, and then it leaves you the text. So you go to it, you change it to yes, but then this happens, and Gita Thomas says you fool. Now this is I don't think this is actually it looks as if I open a new tab, it doesn't appear. But I think I bet you do it clever, huh? That's adorable. But I take it but it will take a lot more than that what smart me. The truth is, I was like, I was once what curious, neatly a little mischievous, but that just left me right into my trap. This is war, and I'll continue to fight for what I believe is right. I'll defend my title and fight for who I am. I will always be one step ahead of you. War never changes. Maybe with lost paths that ends in future. I'll be waiting. And then it just freaking play close you but can I show this list. I think it slap let's slide. But it's after you do that it will just freaking retro you. And that was the video. It is pretty interesting though how he managed to do that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.